Welcome back to Secret Surveyor, where we teach you how to analyze property investments using real-world examples. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating case study, Fuel Studios, a commercial property in the heart of Norwich, East Anglia. Let's break down the key factors that make this property. Fuel Studios is situated in Norwich, a historic and affluent cathedral city with a population of over 144,000 as of 2021. Why is this important? Population size and city status matter because they affect the economic profile of a location and demand for property. A larger growing population typically means more potential tenants, both residential and commercial, which can increase rental demand and drive property values up over time. Next up, transport links. Norwich is about 90 minutes by train from London and has direct rail services to major cities like Birmingham, Manchester and Liverpool. It also has a well-connected road network and an international airport just 2.5 miles away. Transport connectivity is a key factor for property investors because it influences a property's accessibility and attractiveness to potential tenants. Good transport links make a location more desirable for businesses, which can lead to higher occupancy rates and rental income. Fuel Studios is located in Pottergate, within the historic Norwich Lanes, known for its vibrant mix of commercial and residential uses. Being in a recognized office area with diverse amenities nearby is crucial. It increases the appeal of the property to tenants who prefer proximity to shops, restaurants, and leisure activities. This can lead to lower vacancy rates and potentially higher rents. The building, constructed in the late 1970s, spans 71,288 square feet over 6 levels. Understanding the age and floor space of a building is important for valuation. Older buildings may require more maintenance, but they often have unique architectural features that can attract specific tenants. Additionally, the amount of floor space directly impacts potential rental income. Always confirm the source of floor areas to ensure they are reliable. The layout includes a central core linking front and rear offices with entrances on multiple levels. A well-designed layout maximizes usable space and tenant comfort, which can boost tenant satisfaction and retention. Multiple access points and a central core enhance functionality and security, making the property more appealing to diverse tenants. The building offers a reception area, communal kitchens, large breakout areas, and high-speed internet. High-quality amenities are a major plus for tenants, particularly in the competitive office space market. They not only improve the tenant experience, but can also justify higher rents. Welcoming, impactful reception areas are of particular interest to high-quality tenants. Fuel Studios has been extensively refurbished with modernized floors and new passenger lifts. A property in good repair with updated facilities reduces immediate capital expenditure for new owners and attracts tenants looking for move-in ready spaces. Plus, any additional capital deployed into a property above the purchase price means there is a higher hurdle to clear in order to meet your investment return. The building features modern specifications such as air conditioning and energy-efficient lighting. Modern specifications like these are important for energy savings and comfort, aligning with the increasing demand for sustainable, high-quality office spaces. Buildings without these features often trade at a discount. The property is fully let to 34 tenants, including government bodies, creative agencies, and tech companies. A diverse tenant mix provides stability and reduces risk. Government tenants, in particular, offer secure income streams, which is crucial for maintaining a steady cash flow. Fuel Studios is a multi-let property with a weighted average unexpired lease term, WALT, of 3.3 years to expiry. Multi-let properties spread the risk of vacancy across multiple tenants. A reasonable WALT provides a balance between income security and the opportunity to adjust rents to market rates in the medium term. Some leases include annual rent reviews and are on full repairing and insuring (FRI) terms. Annual rent reviews allow the owner to adjust rents according to market conditions, while FRI leases transfer most maintenance responsibilities to tenants, minimizing landlord expenses. Unfortunately, not all tenants are signed up on FRI terms. Some rents, such as those for the individual desks, are inclusive of expenses such as electricity, internet, and service charges, and the property includes 21 car parking spaces. Inclusive rents simplify budgeting for tenants. However, it means the landlord is not receiving a net income. This creates hassle and also some uncertainty over net returns, as expenses can vary. Parking spaces adds notable value in urban locations where space is limited, such as city centers. The building has an EPC rating of C73 and uses sustainable practices, including recycled furniture. Environmental credentials are increasingly important in property investment, as they can reduce running costs and appeal to eco-conscious tenants. With 45% of income from government bodies and a long lease with BT plc, the tenant mix ensures a stable and strong income stream. Strong tenant covenants are a key indicator of a property's investment quality, ensuring reliable income and enhancing property value. With that said, part of the building is being used as a job centre. Whilst government-let areas are good in terms of investment value, it can adversely impact on demand from other tenants. Some office occupiers will not want to be in a building used as a job centre, as there will be members of the wider public visiting the premises. With a net initial yield of 9.04% and a quoted reversionary yield of 11.63%, Fuel Studios is being marketed as a value-add investment, and therefore purchasers will be expected to undertake asset management to increase rents and realize a higher value. If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more property investment insights, and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.